Hello dear students, welcome back to Rishikul online classes. Let's continue our previous chapter, the letter A, in this module. In last modules, already we have discussed the important words, story, and about the author of this chapter. The whole story was based on Christy Brown, and this was an autobiography, My Left Foot, written by Christy Brown. Now we are going to discuss question answer of this chapter. So here is the first question. What was the author's illness? When was it noticed and by whom? Christy Brown suffered from cerebral palsy. It was noticed by his mother when he was about 4 months old. So let's discuss the next question. What was the advice of the doctors and others to the author's mother? Did she believe in it? The doctor said that Christy was a hopeless case, and many others told his mother that he was mentally defective and would remain so. They all said that nothing could be done for him, but his mother refused to believe it or accept it. So let's discuss the next question. Describe the efforts of the author's mother to take care of special abled son. His mother treated Christy just like the others. She loved and cared for all his needs. She found the pillows to help him sit up. She talked and laughed with him for hours. She never lost faith that while his body was shattered, but she believed that his mind was healthy and intelligent. So, here is the next question. Describe the efforts made by the author to write the letter A the first time. Christy's mother wrote A on the floor and asked him to copy it. Holding the chalk in his left foot, Christy produced a shaky line on the slate. His mother held the slate steady and kept encouraging him to write and write again. With determination, he stiffened his body, putting out his left foot for the third time and drew letter A on the slate. So here is the last question. What incident made the mother of the author cry with joy? When little Christy reached out to grasp one of her curl involuntarily, and later when he wrote the letter A for the first time using his left foot, made his mother cry. So dear students, now in this module we have discussed question answer of this chapter. So thank you so much for watching the video.